Hi friends, so I am back with another recipe today and we are going to make Ragi Halwa. I hope you do enjoy it. So the pan is heated now and let's add 1/4 cup of ghee to it. And this ghee I have made it at home. The ghee which is made at home, the smell and taste of it is really good. So I'm just going to pour 1/4 cup of ghee and we will melt it, completely melted. I will add this ragi flour. So this ragi flour, you get it in any Indian store here, and even India it is known with different names. Like I guess in South India it's called ragi, but if in western part of India I found it with the name of Nachni, and it's called as finger millet in English. The ragi flour I used, that is half cup with 1/4 cup of ghee. So we are going to roast it for some time. You can add, instead of 1/4 cup of ghee, you can add 2 tablespoons of ghee too. I just add little extra of ghee in it because I make it as a finger food for my son, and it's easier when we go out to carry it for him to eat. So you see these bubbles are forming. So once these bubbles are forming, you will also get a nice aroma of ragi, and then we are going to mix sugar and water in it. So I am adding this 1/2, that is half cup of water in it. And then this is 1/4 cup of sugar, but to start with I'll just add half of it, that is 2 tablespoons of sugars in it, and then just mix it like you would do with any halwa. So just mix it until you get the halwa consistency. So I'm going to transfer it in this loaf pan, and then I cut it in squares. So here is the loaf pan. I will transfer it and just lay it down evenly. This is done, and I will keep it for cooling it down. If you like, you can add some chopped nuts to it, but since I'm going to give it to a toddler, I avoid it. But if you're going to do it for yourself, just garnish it with some nuts, and I'll come back with when it gets cool. Hi friends, so I am back. It has cooled down, and I am just going to cut it in pieces. So here is a ragi halwa is ready. I hope you liked my video, and if you liked it, please do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.